What's up, everyone? Pete, Champion Adventures here. I broke one of these, and if you have a camper, you know what one of these and where it goes. It's a pull handle for your gray, black tanks or whatever else. And most of them are made out of plastic, and I had an issue where it broke right here. And if you've ever tried to just pull on this half, you notice it gets jammed, and it'll probably break the whole valve. So I went to Amazon, found some die-cast metal ones. They were only like $9–10 bucks. It's made by Valterra. I think they make like all the valves and all your poop shoot needs. I put one on already. Works great. I liked it so much that I went out and bought 3 more to replace all the valves. So I'll take a minute. I'll show you how it's done. It's just a simple thread, but you probably want to be hooked up to full hookups to because if you pull too hard, you're gonna put poop everywhere, or gray water, either or. So we're hooked up, ready to go. It's just real simple. You can either dump your tank or pull it out a little bit. What I do is put a glove around it just to hold it, if it will let you. Unscrew it. This one's a little bit tougher than the others, I don't know why. You can use a rag too. I just used what I had here. We're at a campground right now, and all I had was a glove. You don't want to mar the surface because it could mess up the seal in the valve, and you don't want to do that. And that's it. We're good to go. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment. I will answer them the best I can. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you another time.